Making portfolio website in WordPress. Watch previous video from link in description to set up WordPress in free web hosting. After setting up WordPress, you will have this website. Add wp-admin in URL to go to WordPress admin. Now let's modify some settings. You can set these settings as per your need. In General section, you can modify website name, website description, time zone, etc. You can explore these settings one by one to know more and make changes. One important setting to make is to change permalink to post name. It will make your website URL look better and boost search engine optimization as well. Now let's add a new theme named Astra. You can delete these default themes. Install this theme. Then activate Astra theme. After activating Astra theme, install starter template and begin setup. We will use Elementor for easy editing. Now search for portfolio and select any free template you like. I like minimal and dark theme websites, so I will use this theme. This theme looks great. It have good header, footer and good overall design, so I will import this theme. I do not have any logo now, so I will skip. You can add or modify it later. The theme is now imported. You just have to modify contents now. Go back to WordPress dashboard, that is wp-admin URL. Now go to plugins, then deactivate starter template plugin. Delete all the deactivated plugins. We do not need these default plugins and starter template anymore. I will show you how you can connect email to WordPress in next video. Delete default post and sample page. Now, let's start modifying our website. Click on Edit with Elementor in the page you want to edit. I will edit homepage. It will take some time to load. Now I will show you by editing some texts and stuffs. You can edit this website as per your need. You can add or remove sections, change images, and best part is you do not have to write any code. Select any element you want to edit, then you will get options to edit it. Explore yourself, try editing something, change different options and see what it does. This way you will learn more and more. I learned WordPress exploring the options myself. You can either upload image from computer or import from URL. To edit header and footer, go to Admin Dashboard. Then go to Appearance and select Customize. Here you can edit header and footer. You can add or remove social icons, change URL, and much more. Let's change copyright text in footer. You can change site identity, including title, logo, tagline, etc. After making changes, click on Publish. Now let's see if changes are made to our website. You can edit other pages in same way using Elementor. If you have any problem editing website or setting up WordPress, you can leave a comment or contact me from my website ekg.com.np. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.